In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Sandbox account in Hubspot, and trust me, it's a straightforward process that you can complete in just about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and get that Sandbox ready for all your testing needs. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Hubspot website. The HubSpot platform is a well-known tool for creating and managing sales and marketing strategies, and having a sandbox environment allows you to safely test features without affecting your live data. Once you've landed on their site, you'll see the login button prominently displayed at the top right corner of the homepage. Go ahead and click on it. If you're like most people, you probably have your main account linked with your Google credentials, simplifying the sign-in process. Here, you'll find the Sign In with Google option. Click on this. Then select the Google account you'd like to use for accessing HubSpot. Make sure it's the account connected to the HubSpot service you want to work with. After logging in, direct your attention to the Settings option located in the top right corner of your dashboard. This area is the control hub for all your configurations and settings. Clicking Settings will take you to a new page where you'll want to look for and select Sandboxes from the menu. The Sandboxes feature is fantastic, as it provides a safe space to experiment and test new ideas without interfering with your main account operations. Within the Sandboxes section, you'll see the option to build a standard sandbox. Go ahead and click on that. This action is crucial as it initiates the process of setting up a new sandbox environment. You'll then be prompted to name your new sandbox. Enter a descriptive name that will help you easily identify its purpose later on. Once you've named your sandbox, click the Next button to proceed. The following steps will involve selecting the specific assets you wish to be available in this sandbox environment. You'll continue by choosing Select Specific Assets. Remember, selecting precise assets helps keep your sandbox environment clean and focused on the elements you'll be testing. The next few steps involve clicking Next as you work through the asset selection and syncing options. Here, you'll need to decide on the type of assets you'd like to sync. This might include various templates, marketing emails, or other HubSpot assets you plan on developing or testing. Finally, after selecting and confirming the asset types, you'll come across the option to Build Standard Sandbox once more. Clicking this final button will complete the setup process. Once this is done, your new sandbox environment will start building. And there you have it, your very own HubSpot sandbox, all set up and ready for you to experiment with new strategies and tools in a risk-free space.